Let's go through the intersection questions using the free road code practice website at drivingtests.co.nz. There are 46 questions in this section of the New Zealand road code, and we're going to break this down into two videos of 23 questions each. Rotating this diagram 90 degrees clockwise, you'll see that the red car is at the bottom of the T-junction. The T-junction is here. The blue car is turning across the path of the red car. All vehicles at the bottom of the T-junction must give way to vehicles at the top of the T. Therefore, the blue car does not have to give way. The give way sign in this question is your clue. The red car is passing straight through the junction. The blue car has to give way. On a roundabout, vehicles must give way to their right. In this case, though, the blue car is passing straight through and the red car is turning left and will exit the roundabout before it gets to the blue car. Therefore, the blue car doesn't have to give way. Here we have two vehicles facing one another. The blue car is turning left and the red car is turning right. Right-turning traffic must give way to left-turning traffic, and therefore the red car is the one that needs to give way. The blue car is at the bottom of a T, while the cyclist is on the top of the T. Therefore, the cyclist has the right of way, and the blue car must give way. Again, our clue for this question is in the give way sign. The driver of the blue car is passing straight through, while the driver of the red car is waiting at a give way sign. Therefore, the blue car does not have to give way. The blue car is waiting to turn right from the bottom of the T. The red car is passing across the top of the T, and the blue car is waiting at a give way. Therefore, the blue car must give way. If an intersection has a stop sign, when must you stop? A stop sign is compulsory, and that means you must always stop. Therefore, A is the correct answer. You're driving on a road with marked lanes, and you're in the lane with an arrow showing a left turn only. What must you do? Now, you must always signal, even if you're in a lane which is turning left. If you're turning left, then you must signal to go left. And if the lane shows that you can only turn left, then you mustn't go straight ahead. Therefore, A is the correct answer, which is turn left. Here we have two vehicles facing one another at stop signs. Therefore, the normal give way rules apply. The car turning left has the right of way, and therefore the red car must give way to the blue car. The driver of the blue car is driving straight through the roundabout, and because we must always give way to the right on a roundabout, the driver of the red car must give way to the blue car. Therefore, the driver of the blue car does not have to give way. The driver of the blue car is waiting at the bottom of the T. The driver of the red car is passing across the top of the T. Therefore, the blue car must give way. The driver of the blue car must cross oncoming traffic to turn into this side road. There's a red car coming towards the blue car, therefore the blue car must give way. Here we have two vehicles facing one another, both of them turning right. Neither of them have to give way, because they can both turn right without crossing each other's paths. So therefore the driver of the blue car does not have to give way. The blue car is waiting at a stop sign. The red car is passing through the intersection. Because the blue car is on a stop sign, it must give way to the red car. So the answer is A. When coming up to a stop sign, should you stop? And if so, where should you stop? You should always stop at a stop sign. The question is, where do you stop? You must stop where you can see traffic coming in both directions. Even though there will be a line painted on the road, which will be a yellow line, that's not necessarily the best place to stop to see traffic. Before you can judge whether you can go through an intersection, you need to be sure that there's no traffic coming. So stop where you can see traffic, and then if you still are not comfortable that you can see, you can edge forward slightly. The answer here is B, where you can see traffic coming in both directions. The driver of the blue car is passing through this intersection, while the driver of the red car is waiting at a give way sign. Therefore, the red car must give way, and the blue car does not have to give way. The blue car here is waiting at a give way sign. The cyclist is passing through the junction. Therefore, the driver of the blue car must give way. The driver of the blue car must cross traffic to get into this side road. Therefore, it must give way to the red car, which is coming straight through. Here we have two vehicles facing one another, both with green lights. The red car is passing straight through, while the blue car must cross its path into the road to the right. Therefore, the blue car must give way. This is an uncontrolled intersection. The give way rules here state that you must give way to your right. Therefore, the red car, which is passing straight through this way, must give way to the blue car, which is passing from its right straight through. Therefore, the blue car doesn't have to give way. In this example, the red car is at the bottom of the T, and it's waiting to turn onto the top of the T. The blue car is already on the top of the T. Vehicles on the bottom of the T must give way to vehicles on the top of the T, therefore the blue car doesn't have to give way. In this example, we have the blue car turning left and the red car turning right. The vehicle turning right must give way to the vehicle turning left, and therefore it's the red car that must give way. Once you've finished your test, you'll see your results. Then remember to recommend us on Facebook, +1 us on Google, or tweet us, and then have a go at a different test.